Hello, it's Virgie from 17UK. In today's tutorial I want to show you how you can make your own headbands. These ones are the one I bought, and these ones are the one I made myself. We had nylon tights, I think, from the girls. They didn't wear it, so look, they're so nice. And you can make, depending on the color, you can make, I have pink. They're nice and soft. I'll just show you. It's a very easy thing you can make, just to use up stuff rather throwing it away. So I have, this is like, oops, sorry, this is a stocking, so we wouldn't need this top one. It's a little bit tighter. So what we just need to do is, we need scissors and a stocking. We just need to cut it. Throw this away. So don't cut them very thin. The first time I did them, it was this one. They're still nice, but I feel that if you made them thicker cut, it's much nicer, like this one here. And this is what I bought. Let me measure it, so it is less than an inch. I'll do them like that. So once you cut them, you open them up, and then the row. Here it is, and it can fit all heads from baby, and then it can stretch and go for adults. So this one is a little bit wide here. This was the top of the stocking. So when we go further down, I'll just cut them and we'll see what's the difference. I've noticed that some of the stocking are not very stretchy. I have brand new stockings from my grandma, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to cut them now. But they don't stretch much, so I can't. I have another plan of what to do with them. They're the stocking, you know, in the olden days where they put elastic. This is how my granny used to have them. She'll put an elastic just above the knee and wear it like this, but I don't think anyone does this anymore. So we just keep cutting. So can you see here, this one had a little pink on it. It doesn't matter, it will be nice and colorful. So let's do this. Look how lovely this is. And I will make a tutorial for crocheting different flowers and what I do with them. I add them to a little headband like that, and you add the crochet flower like this on the top, and this can go and be so lovely on a little baby's head. But when I do the tutorial, I will be using this headband, so you will see it. these stockings, I don't think you can use the thin stockings because they'll be too stretchy, but this a little bit thicker. Look at them, lovely. I like cutting, and I like stretching it. It's quite a relaxing one, and especially if you can save some of the stuff rather going into the bin. We made how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this one from the top, it is little bit wider, but if you have something for a little bit older child, you can add it on, or it is still going to fit on a baby head, and it's nice and soft and stretchy, so it's not a problem. So these ones, you can see these are smaller, but it depends on the they stretch the same. It depends on the nylon you've got, but this is all, they were perfectly good tights, but the girls didn't wear them, and I was like, what do I do? Look, all of them different colors, so you can choose whatever you want, or to match the pattern, whatever you're going to attach it to. Mine is crochet. Normally I would put crochet on them, or fabric bows. I can add it to this band. I hope you enjoy this tutorial how to make your own nylon headbands. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.